Hello everybody, welcome back to 4305 Back of the House workshop on menu number 3. This is just a reminder that you guys should still go over all the PPTs that I've posted on Blackboard. They have all the information that you need to know in terms of menu planning. These videos that I'm posting right now, they contain mostly the highlights and all the key points. For this video, we are going to focus on a few things to consider once you start writing a menu. One of the first things that you need to consider once you start writing your menu is that does your menu have balance and variety? Now, balance and variety can mean many things, but for the menu planning's purpose, you want to actually have a good balance and variety in things like flavor, nutritional value, cooking method, appearance, temperature, texture, and also cost. If your menu does not have good balance and variety, then it would have limited options for the guests, and which means that you would have limited target market or target audience. Not having a good balance and variety in cost and cooking method can result in inefficiency in service or production, right? Or in your all of operation. Now, let's say that all of your food items are grilled. That means you would actually have to have many grills, the equipment inside the kitchen, as well as the staff members who can operate the grill. The people with special dietary needs, they always remember where they can or cannot eat, which means that if you do well, you will have repeat customers over and over. But if you do not, and if you cannot accommodate these people's special dietary needs, then they will never come back. And another consideration is something called cross-utilization in menu. So what this is that once you start to write your menu and think about what ingredients that you want to use, you want to make sure that, especially for the high-cost, high-ticket items, you want to be able to use that in different dishes. And let's talk about menu as a marketing tool. From the video number 1, we said that one of the purpose of a menu is for marketing. So let's think about what marketing is. So marketing is the process of communicating the value of something. It's whether it's a product or service, right? In case of the food and beverage, it is, well, food and beverage items that you're trying to sell. And menu does that. Menu is the tool that we use to communicate what value that your food and beverage options are to the guests. One last thing to consider when you're writing your menu, especially now with the trend of sustainability. Okay, so what that means is that the guests are looking for or actually seeking out the restaurants that are more socially responsible and uses sustainability to its advantage, right? So what that means is that the chefs, especially in the fine dining restaurant scenes, they are using local resources and renewable resources. Okay, so this was today's video. So we mainly went over some of the things that you need to consider once you start writing your menu, and also how do you use your menu as a marketing tool. Thank you again for joining, and see you next time.